Hi guys, welcome to back my channel. Today I'm showing how to make blogger site look like a professional website. So before start this video, my one request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. So if you looking professional your website, now following step by step. First time, now buy a domain name and create your own logo and fav icon, adding important page. What is domain? When you register with Blogger, your website address will be an additional subdomain. Example, I am now view my website. I am already make a free website. If you make free website, now looking this video, I am now this video links in description. It's my website. When you register with Blogger, your website address will have additional subdomain blogspot.com. Now my website name is website maker 54.blogspot.com. Using a subdomain is simply not very professional and shows that you are not willing to invest in your project. Therefore, you should remove Blogger subdomain if you want to professional looking your website. I am now make next video how to add domain. Next one, create your own logo and fav icon. What is logo? Now looking Alva, it's the logo. Logo is another way to present your brand identity, your product, your vision, mission. A logo must be able to showcase all of them. If you create a representative logo, it will help stand out among others. If you change your logo, how to change this? Now going to your Blogger control panel and going to layout and now scroll down and now looking header logo. If you can change your logo, now click here and remove image and choose file, your logo file. Now choose your logo. You must be have this file in your computer, this any file. So now going to this file and select your logo, then open. I am now make logo. Now select, then click here open and click save. If you now refresh your website, you looking your logo. So that's simple. Then very important, adding your important page. What is page? If you wonder, now I'm already at my page, home, about, contact. It's the necessary. It's very important. Now that you have talked our website layout and fav icon, it's time to move on to page. The great things about Blogger is that lets you add up 20 menu under your header. 20 menu. To create professional website, you need to create a professional website. To create a professional website, you need to have the necessary page, home, about, fact, and contract. How to generate this page? Now going to your control panel and now click here page and now click here. I'm now already create my page and now click here new page and enter your page name home. What is home? Home is the main display of your website. It is what people see first when they go to your website. Now next one, about. I'm already create about. I'm now view here. What is about? The about page is the place where you can introduce your product's history, vision, mission, and of course yourself. If you are doing professional branding, that space use tell your history. Now right here all everything. Then now upgrade or published and now view here and copy this link and now going to your layout. Now under footer section and now click here, now enter about and enter this link, copy link, so at click here, then save. So now refresh your website and now going to scroll down under and now click here about and now looking your post. FAQ, then very important, a FAQ. Its full meaning, frequently asked question, is used to answer the most common question asked by user. If a user want to ask things not shown on the FAQ, you should point them to a of the contracting you. A contract section could be presented as a static page too. So if you make same if you make same them same, now going to page and now create and copy this link, now paste there. Yeah, now second one, optimize your site for mobile drives. If you make free website, so it's very used from mobile and you must be optimized from mobile drives. How to drives mobile drives optimize? Now going to theme and now click here and now click here and now click mobile setting and now click desktop and now save here. So thank you so much watching my video. My request, please subscribe my channel and like and comment in comment section. And if you make free website, now going to my first video, how to make free website from Blogger. I am now giving the link in description, in video description. So many thanks for watching this video.